If you're aiming for a global career in accounting and finance, the ACCA Distance Learning program from Osborne Training offers a flexible way to achieve one of the world's most respected professional accounting qualifications. ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, is recognized by employers worldwide and equips professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to work in accounting, auditing, taxation, and financial management. With Osborne Training's distance learning tuition, you can study ACCA from anywhere while balancing work or other commitments. The course provides structured learning materials, expert tutor guidance, and comprehensive study resources designed to help you prepare effectively for ACCA exams. The ACCA qualification itself is organized into multiple stages, starting with foundational accounting knowledge and progressing to more advanced topics in financial reporting, taxation, audit, and business strategy. This structured approach ensures you gradually develop the professional skills required to succeed in the finance industry. So what's the future after taking this course? Completing ACCA studies can open doors to a wide range of careers in finance. ACCA qualified professionals often work as accountants, auditors, financial analysts, tax specialists, finance managers, and consultants in organizations across the world. Because ACCA is internationally recognized, it also provides opportunities to work with global companies and multinational firms. Why is this course worth it? Because ACCA is one of the most respected accounting qualifications globally. It not only builds strong technical accounting knowledge, but also develops analytical, strategic, and business decision-making skills. With flexible distance learning, expert tutor support, and comprehensive exam preparation resources, this course helps you work toward a professional qualification while studying at your own pace. Why study ACCA at Osborne Training? We are well known for quality and well-recognized ACCA tuition provider in London. One course book and one exam kit for each paper. Monthly installments up to 12 months available. Tutorial support from the tutor by email for 6 months. Student discount card from NUS. Free tablet PC. Eligibility applies. Access to Career Hub for 3 months. Free access to state-of-the-art virtual learning campus for additional study materials for 1 year. Please note, NUS charges £24 for the issue of the card. It will allow you to get discounts in many places. Whether you're starting your journey in finance or looking to advance your accounting career, ACCA can be a powerful step toward long-term professional growth. Start building your future in global finance today. Enroll in the ACCA Distance Learning program at Osborne Training and take the first step toward becoming a qualified professional accountant.